Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be showing you a couple different ways to paint French tips. For the first two methods, you want to start by applying a base coat and then one coat of a sheer pink or beige polish. When the base is dry, take a thin nail art brush dipped in white polish and use it to paint along the white of your nail. I like my French tips to follow along this line, but if you like yours to be straighter, then feel free to make this line less curved. After you've made that line with white polish, use either the nail art brush or the brush from the bottle of polish to fill in the tip. When you're happy with the tip, finish the nail off with a glossy top coat. If you're not super confident about making that initial line, you can always go backwards. So for the second method, use the brush from a bottle of white polish to fill in the tip, and then just use the nail art brush to clean up the top line as needed. Again, finish the nail off with a glossy top coat. For the last method, we're going to skip any base or color coats and start right off with using the brush from the bottle of white polish to fill in the tip. Don't worry too much about the line being perfect, because the next thing we're going to do is take a stiff, flat brush and dip it in acetone or nail polish remover and use it to erase the white polish until we're happy with the curve of our line. You can also use a nail art brush to fill in the corners a little. If you want to, you can apply a sheer pink or beige to the nail at this point, but I'm going to skip it and just apply the final glossy top coat to seal in the tips. That's it for today's video. I hope some of these tips were helpful for you. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other special ways of painting a classic French manicure. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.